What is up guys, Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to chat with the Amazon customer service. So first you need to head over to your Amazon's website, and then on the right side you will see your profile. Simply hover to it, and then you will see the option to contact us. Here, as you can see, there are multiple options. But if you can't find your contact list in these options, on the left side you will see the all section. Click on it once and then scroll a bit down till the end. Here you will see customer service. Simply click on this customer service, and then here you will see multiple options like manage address, account settings, request refunds, and digital services and devices. And from these options, you don't have to select anything, just simply scroll a bit till the end. And after that, here you will find the help section on the right side. Simply click on it. And after clicking here, this type of page will open. From here, just simply type in the search bar how to contact Amazon and then hit enter. And after that, here you will see the support options and contact us for managing your account. So just simply click on support options and contact us, and here you will open the support option and the contact us window. And from here you can just simply get the Amazon customer service support. Here these are the steps. Simply follow these steps and then you will be able to chat with the Amazon customer service. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.